If you want to block someone on Kayak, follow these simple steps to ensure your experience on the platform is more comfortable and secure. Step 1. Open the Kayak app or website. Launch the Kayak application on your mobile device or visit the Kayak website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Locate your profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings and personal information. Step 3. Access privacy settings. Within your profile, look for the privacy settings or account settings section. This is where you can manage your interactions and block users. Step 4. Find the user to block. In the privacy settings, search for the user you wish to block. You may need to enter their username or email address to find them in the system. Step 5. Confirm the block. Once you have located the user, select the option to block them. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the user is blocked from contacting you or viewing your profile. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Kayak and enhance your online experience. If you have any further questions, consider checking the Kayak Help Center for more detailed assistance.